Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove the background of any art you have done on Leonardo AI. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open app.leonardo.ai on any of the browser you have and log into your account. After that, you must have created an image. Now what you need to do is click on Personal Feed. If you have not created an image yet, you can create an image and then you can go to Personal Feed, and as soon as you go to Personal Feed, you can see some of the artworks which you have done. Now you can see these artworks have background in it. Now I'm going to teach you how you can remove the background. Let's go ahead and select this artwork over here, and you can see the three dots right below the artwork. Go ahead and tap on these three dots and you can see remove background. This will cost 2 tokens and you will have the remaining, and it resets in 18 hours. So you can see the remove background option. Just go ahead and tap on it and you can see that your request to remove this background from this image has been received. Please check back in a few minutes and you will need to refresh this page. So go ahead and reload the page, wait for a while, and the background will be removed as per your request. So it will take some time, but this will happen. So you can see the background remove over here on this picture over here. Wait for a while and this will be occurring in a while. This might take some while, so you can do this, guys. So all you need to do is select your photo, click on these three dots and you can see the remove background option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will receive this message that this has been on the request to remove the background, and it will be occurring in a while. So guys, this is how you can remove the background from any artwork or image on Leonardo AI. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.